everyone, and welcome back to another video. It's good to have you back here today. The title of this video, you already know what this is. This is the egg membrane transplant surgery challenge. The first time I saw this video on one of my favorite YouTubers, med school YouTubers channel, KianMdvlog. I saw it on her channel and I was like, oh my god, I'm going to try this out. So yeah, this is me doing it. I pray I don't flop. I pray my patient does not die on the table. So let's get right into the video. So let me introduce you to our equipment. This is my dissection set from anatomy, and so this is the needle that I'll be using. This is not an actual suture needle because, well, I don't possess an actual suture needle. I made this myself, and yeah, we just want to help Miss Egg. That's the main purpose here, and some other things. I don't have the actual needle holder, but I'll show you what I'll be using. So let me go prep myself. So I'm ready. Okay, so this is the membrane that a donor gave us. The first thing I would do is to make the marks. Okay, where I'm going to be sewing on. Okay. This thing is so fragile now. Okay. Disclaimer here, I am not a surgeon, I am just a fourth year medical student, okay? So I don't know how this is done. This is just me having fun, okay? So nobody should come at me in the comment section. I have never, oh my god, what am I destroying? At this point, I just want to give up because nothing is happening my way. At this point, I give up. I will try this later sometime, but yeah, an epic fail. Let me show you guys what actually happened. So you see, this membrane here, I'm supposed to place this one on it. Stuff. This one is just breaking away. So this was an epic fail, guys. We were unable to help her. We're going to definitely try this again. So if you're seeing this video with an epic fail, I feel like crying because I wanted this to work. My heart is actually heavy now. I know it's just an egg, but I don't know what went wrong. So guys, this is the end of the video. Yeah, if you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome. If you're not subscribed to the channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please click the subscribe button down there and give this video a thumbs up. I know it was an epic fail, and I also I challenged Suma's Diary, I challenged Oluwabusola Deju and any other medical vloggers in Nigeria. So do try this out because this was an epic fail for me, but I'm going to try this again. I'm going to do this again. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, leave your comments down below. Also check out my previous video if you have not seen them. They're going to be in the description box somewhere and up here. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye.